Listen, guys, it's my birthday. It's a winter storm. I know I'm crazy. Look on the outside, you know. Oh my goodness. So tonight I'm going to Met Super Club.
The potatoes are roasted in tapa. It comes with salsa verde, and which is the green sauce, and the white sauce, which is whipped goat cheese.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So I just celebrated my birthday, and of course we had like two major snowstorm here in Ottawa, but I'm like, no, 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 the show must go on. You know, I'm very big on birthdays, so I'm like, nothing's gonna stop me. So I still did go out to do something with my family and with my kids. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna share a little bit with you guys. Okay, so this is my dress that I got from Fashion Nova. I also got my slippers from Fashion Nova, my pouch from Shein, and this nice little necklace as well was from Shein. Absolutely love this red dress. You know, it's my birthday is close to Valentine's, so I was just like, okay, I'm going to do a red because it's pretty much one celebration all together. But yeah, love, love, love this outfit. My husband got me these beautiful red roses for my Valentine's, and I got some kisses chocolate as well. This was really, really nice. Yes, and now I'm all ready and set to go for the party. So I arrived at the restaurant on time, yes, and I was really liking the vibe that I was like seeing. As I said, this is the Met Super Club, downtown Ottawa. The setting was very, very nice. I already did my code check, and when they took me over to my table, it was looking really like, you know, nice and classy. Love, love, love the setting here, honestly. Welcome to the Med. Tonight we're celebrating Tiffany's 35th birthday. Yes, I know she looks like 25, but don't let that fool you. She's a mother of three, a beautiful wife, and she looks stunning. So sweet. We are here at the Med. We're here at the Med, right? Downtown Ottawa, and it is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this setting. Absolutely beautiful. Cheers, Dinah. Cheers. Cyber? Yeah. Thank God for me.
Oh yes. Nah, yes. If you have money, if you do that, they think they if you have that they.
Potatoes are roasted in tapa. It comes with salsa verde, and which is the green sauce, and the white sauce, which is whipped goat cheese.
Okay.
And sorry, for you, it comes covered in sweet parmesan, little coffee, black onion, and sweet lemon sauce. Okay. Do you like any fresh pepper? Sure.
You want pepper, Lisa? Yeah. Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Oi chicken na come, chicken cook. They were my pocket. Disrespect, disrespect.
Rasta. That looks so good, do you know?
This is my first time. She cleaned the plate, y'all. I think she enjoyed her meal. Your $100 lamb. Hey, so they look like movie star stuff.
Slow man, slow down, take your time. Look, I want to know. I want to know. I want to know you on the top of
No, they seem pretty good.
Oh, look at my food, guys. Blessed it. Blessed. You eat the chicken? Grandma and Mickey. What's up, Joe? Joe, you have onion rings and stuff. Look, my grandma. Oh yes, guys, look at my food. Yummy. Oh yeah. Oh, Mickey, look at your dessert. You gotta eat all that, Mickey. What happened to you, Joe? You cough? Blessed, what are you eating, Blessed? Blessed, are you eating? Joe say thank you. Mickey, get your cotton candy. Say thank you, Mickey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, dear Tiffany. Happy birthday to you. I like your singing.
You wanna blow up on the candle?
Adorable. You like singing? You? Yeah. Okay. So what kind of music?
Honestly, I had a wonderful birthday. Thank you guys so much for all your birthday wishes and gifts. I really appreciate you guys' love and support. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe for more. Bye.